Introducing SneakAir Protects the Ultimate Crease Protector, the optimal solution to keep your kicks looking fresh. Let's unbox and show you how to protect those precious sneaker creases. First, unbox your SneakAir Protect Crease Protector. The future of sneaker care is inside. We all hate it when our favorite sneakers crease, right? Say goodbye to that worry. Now, let's see how easy it is to use. First, loosen your shoelaces and remove the insole. Then, slide in the SneakAir Protect Crease Protector. Replace the insole. If needed, adjust the protector for your comfort, and your shoes are ready to go. And just like that, your shoe is transformed. The crease protector fits perfectly and maintains the shoe's original shape. On the left, we have creases, and on the right, we have SneakAir Protect Crease Protector, keeping your shoes as good as new. Grab your SneakAir Protect Crease Protector today. SneakAir Protect, because your kicks deserve the best.